Welcome back to Central Valley Today, everyone. We all pretty much know someone who's lost their home to bankruptcy, foreclosure, or short sale. It may have happened to you. But there's a new program designed to help you become a homeowner again within a year. Our licensed mortgage professional, Monique Runge, is here to tell us all about it, how it works, the requirements, and all the specifics. Welcome once again to the show, Monique. How are you?
Fabulous, thanks.
Looking fabulous in blue. I love it.
Thank you.
Okay, this new program really is offering hope to people who may have lost a home because of everything I just mentioned. Tell us a little bit more about it.
Well, most people have to wait anywhere between 2 to 4 years before they can buy again. But this is a great program that the Federal Housing Authority has rolled out that, depending upon your circumstances, you can buy again within only 1 year of losing your home.
Wow.
Now, there are some specific requirements they have to meet in order to be able to be eligible for the program. But, you know, for most people, they lost their homes because they lost a job or they had a reduction in income or something like that.
Well, let's go through some of those requirements. The first one says here, must have suffered income loss of 20% for a minimum of 6 months. That's the first one.
Correct. So you must have had to take a reduction in pay or some sort of concession for a minimum of 6 months.
Okay.
And we have to be able to document that.
Okay.
Okay, so we have to be able to document it with pay stubs or W-2s, tax returns.
Okay.
We have to demonstrate that they have full economic recovery, meaning that they have not gone late on any payments on anything for the last 12 months.
No credit cards or anything like that?
Correct.
Okay.
You're allowed to have one 30-day late. So if you paid your rent late once, or if you paid a credit card or an auto loan late once, then it's okay, but no more than once.
All right, you always bring a scenario with you, which is great to give people an idea of how others have benefited through your services. So let's talk about that scenario for today.
I had a realtor call me where his brother had suffered some income loss back in 2011. He had an injury, and it forced him to go on a 33% reduction of income. I mean, anybody who's had to go through some sort of workman's comp knows how painful that is.
Yeah.
You know? And so they tried to, do loan modification. They tried to do everything, but ultimately they were forced to short sell their home because they couldn't make the payments. So I ended up contacting this client, and it was great. I mean, we did this so quick. On October 21st, we did a telephone application. They got me their documentation on the 25th of October. And later that afternoon, I had complete mortgage approval. Now, one of the requirements is you must attend a HUD-approved home buyer's education course 30 days before I date an application with you. Okay. So pretty easy to do. I got them set up. They scheduled it for November 7th, and now they're going to be able to go out and purchase a home on December 7th.
Wow, how exciting.
I know, right? It was only 45 days or less that we had all of that put together for them.
And I'm sure that's a lot of work for you, but work that you really love. You love helping these people, getting them back into their homes, and you do a lot of things that, honestly, we probably couldn't have done on our own.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
So where can people call you if they want a consultation like the one you gave this gentleman?
The best thing, I mean, for this New Beginnings program, it's a 5-step process.
Okay.
So first of all, you need to contact me.
Okay.
So you can reach me at the telephone number, the 250-0313, or you can email me at monique@moniquerunge.com. And I want to discuss your situation. I want to hear your story.
Okay.
So I want to hear their story. From there, I email them a document checklist. They provide me all the documentation. At that point, I do the analysis and I map out the mortgage plan. And then they get pre-approval, and you go out and buy. It's not as much of a rocket science project as a lot of people think it is.
Well, that's for sure. Thank you so much for being here again, Monique. Appreciate it.